Are you okra night? Tell me please, buddy. The season night. Season night, the Jamaican season. Pepper night hot. So yes, peeps, it's your man, All the Fire 777. Yes, and it's another evening. Just come home, hungry, and contemplating what am I gonna eat. So I stopped at the supermarket and got myself a piece of yam and a sweet potato. So I'm gonna roast it and roast some fish. You might ask, why do you roast fish so often? Because it is more healthier to roast it than to fry and stuff like that. Can't the whole of grease. So that I'm gonna do right now. So fish are thaw out. Yeah. Oh, they not see my neighbor them. Over there, so some of them are underneath. So yeah, so fish are thaw out. Yeah. Put in a bag here for the water so it thaw out fast. Big fat fish. And then over here, so I have my season them. So I'll show you season I have now. Oh, I didn't take out any lime. Just remember, say, I'm going to take out a lime. So, in the lime. So, I have one pumpkin. So, it has to be pumpkin now. Because after 5 now, you know, one night catch one at the door. Or 2 5 rather. So, I'm going to peel the pumpkin quick and fast. And then, look what I'm going to do with the pumpkin. So, instead of cutting up the pumpkin, because if I cut up it will take longer to actually sitting there, cook out, because when you put on the fish or roast, a steam practically a steam. So I grate the pumpkin steam. So it's much easier and quicker. Grate the pumpkin. Quick and fast, no itching, and all the fire in the kitchen. You see, and now that is it. Show you the bigger part of the water. So this now, by the time I put on this now, it's going to steam out quick. And then, the cut this out. Now, I have a piece of escallion. Little piece of escallion. I'm going to deal with it quick and fast. Same way. So as I said, I'm going to make it a little bit quick and fast, more than me. And mask it outside. You stay on the indoor panel stove, over the outdoor. So quick and fast, and deal with it. Peeps. You see how I do it? Yeah. So I put my okra, and then put my butter, okra tough. So now the tough okra, now I put it in there. So for them be better. The okra something will steam pretty quick. is it? Keep it. Quick and fast. No itching. Put up the onion same time. Over then. Onion same time, please. And itching the same here. Quick and fast. See what to use, but that's it. So now I use it. And then, what shall I do now? And then, look like that, see there? Okay. Oh, all that onion, cut a piece. And the onion. Choose onion now, fit this something like cook still. Yes, so stick and stay. I'm gonna make. See it on my peeps. See a fish over here, so. So, there's a big fish now. I got a big fish here. I got a very big fish here, peeps. Very big fish. So hopefully fish out enough now. Are you ready? There now. Okay. Ta-da! Look at that. This is big, not true? Big fat fish. So when I say big fat fish, this is it. Trim up our 5 same time. Quick and fast. As I say, no itching. No itching, peeps. So quick. Yeah, this is quick. The fisherman clean out the knife quite good too. Yeah. Jeans are thick. Cutting good. Yeah. Cut him up good. So when I put on him, right now this come like should put on 2 peeps. This line you should cut in 2. Because if it's not 5 paper can hold this. This look big to go in the 5 paper. So I'm boxing in 2. So we can cut in. So I don't feel like cut it. Just deep water. Ah, shit. There. Big babes. This is so freaking big. Very. Season can go night good. The knife and around my peeps. Be careful with this knife. Whew. Fish in my sweat peep. Yeah. Squeeze me tocar now. Oh my gosh. This fish has been sweet peeps. season it up. Quick and fast. Yes. Quick and fast. You're supposed to know your routine already. Well, this noodle here, I'm going to strain it off. Yeah, I'm going to do that. I'm going to strain it off because actually the noodle makes it stay longer. Steam also. Yeah. So you want it in it to make sure say you get it good. Yeah. And then this now, the rest of this. And then I use this spoon. Season it up. Quick and fast, babes. And this now, that a seasoning having pepper in it, so I'm gonna have to put my pepper on the fish. And this is well packed already. This is hot, babes. Really hot. Really hot. Put something on this. Just a bit. Yeah. And then we're ready to go. This, I got one more fish on this. One more fish leg. This size. Yeah. So put that in the fridge. So we don't finish here. So much water in the sink, please. More water I fished out quicker. So it wastes no time. Deal with this straight. Right away. Right away. Right away, please. No itching. No itching. You did it right away. Let me see how this can work with this on the paper. I'm sure that I this one. So I'm gonna fire. Yes. So after this now. Oh, peeps. Forgot one thing. Just dip a little bit of oil in this because I'm not using no butter. So butter, no good for you, I'm not using butter. Butter only to sleep up. I use a little bit of oil. On this now, so I'm not telling you, the fish here is big. Let me see how I'm going to do this now, peeps. Alright, put it like that. Yes, alright, put it like that. Like this. Alright. Then, do here first one now. And guess what? Tree so big. There's a big space up here. So, I'm sure it's like close the night. So all of this, all of nice piece. See how this I go? Juicy. like so. Nice. This kind of nice. I never eat like half of the fish. I never eat one. No, I never eat all of it. I'm doing it like that, make sure I say it not leak. Yes. So now we can another piece. Let's see that also another piece. Or should I do no piece? This is sticky. Oh, okay. That's it. So now we that's like that. Yeah. I do it like that. The fish are boiled already. Yeah. I'm going to this so. That's this. Alright, see there? Oh look. That is it. So that's good to go now. So now I catch a fire right away. So yes, peeps, I catch a fire. Fast, my mother cool. The sky look like rain will fall. Let's hope the rain will fall, peeps. Let's hope the rain will fall. Yeah. Quick and fast. Yes, peeps, so let's see. So me I sweat to lick a fire. Not me I sweat already. So hope it catch quick. The breeze a blow it still. So let's hope it catch quick. Like I say, the sky look away like rain and fall too. Yeah, but yeah. So let's hope it catch quick, peeps. Let me get some more something for tonight. Let me get a little more for tonight. Holy smoke! See that, peeps? Phone drop right under the fire. Oh my gosh. Ah, peeps. I don't know what do you fix the phone here now? Phone drop right under the fire. Good thing I drop on the block still. The breeze not blow hard. Like seriously? Ah! Me sit and drop and I wonder what, peeps. It's right near the fire drop. Oh boy. Feel that work though. Let me get some sitting over there so I'll put a coconut tree here. Oh boy, I almost smashed up the phone again. So make it blaze up quick and catch. Make sure it drop again. I understand why this fall a while ago, peeps. Alright, peeps, I'm gonna wash it back your dish them in a sink and then I'll come back to this. So anyway, stick and stay. I don't know. Yes, peeps. Fire catcher now. So I've put the yam and the potato in it. So see potato, peeps. Potato kind of thick, so do it like this. So fire get the soak through it more. Yeah. Yeah, like this one. Oh, right, me. It's a good enough good piece. I wanna get smoke up here, man. Yeah, you see it? Chop up here. So that's it will not take that long to roast. And then a piece of yam. A yam expensive in the supermarket piece, so yeah, all black. I'm cut it on the black. Cut off piece in the supermarket. Yam is like $6 a pound. Yam, almost $10 a pound. US. For Jamaican yam. So this is why I say Jamaicans don't need to farm. We need to farm because Jamaican yam is in high demand. Yeah. I don't really catch good it still. But I call ya. It's longer to catch fish. Then so go and put the yam in it. The yam go and roast. The yam not gonna burn up. The yam will not burn. I'm trying to find some more coconut hucks. Put in there. But the smoke, I smoke me. I don't want to smoke up peeps. Smoke, go away. I'm find some peeps, so this is catch a fire. I think I burn now. Coal will catch good, because the coal take longer to catch good. So I go left that now. And finish washing the plate them in the kitchen. Get back in the kitchen, quick and fast. So stick and stay peeps, we're going away. Yes peeps, fire around here going with itself. So you can like you want to burn up them, I'm gonna take them out quick. So let me take them out quick. And turn them. Yeah. Turn it. Yes, you got to be tough. Alright, so go for your fish now, please. And put it on at the same time. Yeah. And put the fish like that. Let's go for the fish. Make we go for the fish at the same time, put it on, peeps. Yeah. See the fish there. Put the fish out, take a little time. Think so. Let's hope it's sealed properly. So, getting a leak out. Yeah. Let's hope it's sealed properly so it's not leak out. Alright, that is it. Potato, my yam, and my fish. And I got to eat. I got a lot of eat in there. Yeah. So, need to go on. Stand there for a minute or a few. Then you look on it again. Stick and stay. I'm going away. So yes, peeps. You see what the fish are ready to turn it. Let's see how it looks now. Yeah. So I'm going to now. The general is on the phone looking. I'm doing. See it now? See it? And then I have piece of paper. Piece of one. Yeah, and then the fish now pumpkin. And all of that. How come, brother D? Yeah, all of that in there. Yeah, so Johnny left on the phone piece. I talk to Johnny at the same time. So much you I do, I cook, I vlog, I talk on phone. See my multitask? Alright, this phone call about.
I mean, you want to get rid of this thing?
Yeah, I know. It's a record what you say, you know?
Seriously?
Yeah. Yeah.
Hush.
Alright. I'm not deleting either.
Sorry, hush.
I'm not deleting. Alright. I love you later. Soon call about.
Yeah.
So yes, Steve Janelle on the phone same time too. She should call me and she not get me same time because I vlog. First I'm tired of her. First I'm tired of her. I'm tired of her. Peeps? I'm tired of her. So yes, peeps, it's about some roast fish this evening. Same angel fish I roast on the other day. You might wonder how my roast fish so often. Sometimes I just can't bother with no cooking really. So this easier and simpler and it's still healthy. You get what I'm saying? It's healthy. Because say your health is your wealth. So you're healthier and then I buy a piece of yam and a piece of sweet potato. So I just say, I look at the fire for yourself, look at the fire, I'm showing you how I go on the fire. Look at the fire how I go on. Show you how I go on. Look how I go on at the fire then, peeps. See? Zoom up in it and see how I go on night there. See how I go on night there? See there? See the fish there? So look good, just see the piece of yam. Yeah, so I just see the fish first turn. So the drone being near the fire, it'll blow the fire even more. So, you know, yeah. So anyway, peeps, stick on. Let's look at this again. Fish ready yet. Let's see what I go and pay the yam. Take my fire. Potato. Yeah. Potato almost good. Yeah. But the yam, you know, yam harder for roast. It take them more time rather. Not really harder, but take them more time. Fish now. Get to eat. Yeah, I'm on the eat so. So yes, peeps. And I'm here sipping on some roots that my father-in-law make. Janelle father, yeah. Yeah, some real roots, some real Jamaican roots. Some noni. This is it too, this is the roots too. The noni and chini root, and this is noni. Some Jamaicans call it duppy sauce. Yeah, this is noni. Some Jamaicans call it duppy sauce. Look at it. See? Yeah, so the tree are full light, but you see leaf them look, the iguana them might eat off a leaf them. People say it looks scanty, iguana them eat off a leaf if I look so. Yeah, but they're not eating only. Cause they have a very bad taste. But you know anything tastes bad always good for you. Yeah, so that in the roots one chain, the root and all it more sitting. Yeah, so Janelle father is I put it now, a roots man. You know if you make the roots them and thing, you know? It's a Janelle chunk so. In Jamaican terms, that's actually thick so, you know? Yeah. Yes, beef so. They are going to wait on this. I tell you the truth, so I'm hungry. But the fish are big. So I'm going to eat like, I think I'm going to eat half of this still. All I'm going to eat half of it, now I'm going to eat all of it. Because this is really big. And then, if you eat so much yam. Yeah, about a pound of yam. And about a pound and a half of, yeah, nearly about a pound of potato too, for a potato lighter. Yes, peeps. And I tell you, yam is expensive in the supermarket. As I said before, it's like $6 a pound for yam. $6 a pound for yam. So that's almost about $9 so. Yeah, roughly about $9 US for a pound for yam. Just think about that. You know Jamaica I get so much for yam. You know? And Jamaica yam, trust me, it's an high demand, very high demand. That's why I go back to Jamaica and have one farm. Yeah. So anyway peeps, stick and stay. Just done quick so I can get something to eat. No go no way. So yes peeps, fish will take too long so I put some fire underneath it. Not too much still. So the potato race already. The potato is already roast. Just put off so it's already roast. Still don't want too much fire because you burn up. You don't want it burn. Just want to eat. Yeah. That's for the yam. The yam is in spot. The fish needs some heat underneath it. Not give it heat. I'm so cold into my side. So now give it some heat, peeps. Give it a bit of heat so can you speed up the process? But not too much there. What happened to you last night?
Caught up.
You caught up?
Caught up, but when I start to tell you.
Oh man, and then a rapture?
No, start. Caught up, but when I still don't tell you things like this.
Oh. Okay, sir. Yes, peeps, Ronald just come in from work. It's the reason why he wasn't on the live last night because he didn't caught up. So now I think it's a rapture, and a rapture yet to get caught up. Alright, yeah, this seems like we're going somewhere now. Like it's almost ready now. Now this is board here. I'm use a set of fire too. Oops, can't take the heat or come out of it. So then say if I can't stand the heat, then get out of the kitchen. But I'm outside and the heat turn up. Yeah. And I'm hungry. And the fish take too long, peeps. sweet potato roast already. Just the yam for roast now. So anyway, peeps, stick and stay. I'm going away. Yes, peeps. It's supposed to be ready now.
Check it. Yes. Just like 2 more minutes, yes. What is yam more roast now? Just few more minutes.
Let's give it about 5 more minutes, peeps. 5 more minutes, roughly about 5 minutes. I'm supposed to finish. It's like 6:30 now, so by 6:18, supposed to finish. Yeah. If you're not finished, I'm gonna eat it raw same way. Just kidding. Anyway, stick and stay, peeps. Stick and stay.
Yes,
I'm
peeps.
the fish must ready now. I love the aroma coming from it. I wish you all could.
Smell it. Yes.
Let me go get me a plate. Let me go get the plate and come right back. Stick and stay. Yes, peeps. So, time to test what I go on now. So, it's getting the fish here. Oh, peeps. What a hell dash your peeps in the ball though. Peeps. My best chef in Jamaica. Him about Jamaica, the Cayman. Look at that. Look at that. I tell you peeps. I've never seen a fish look like this though. Yo. And the aroma coming from it, I tell you the aroma is sweet. So trust me peeps, it's sweet. I'm not taste it. Taste one little piece. You know I'm gonna do this peeps. So this is yam, this is the potato, sweet potato. I'm telling you something for this roast already because it's easy for roast. I'm sure it's skin here, so chicken you can get the skin. Oh my god. Dips. This is the life. This is the life. And this I am now. Hope I am not spoiled, I don't have tips. Oh. Sometimes I am too much, I am not right. I am young, but I'm not right. I can't eat it. That's great. I am about chicken you can get the skin. But have a piece. peeps, this can't eat one time. I need help with this, peeps. I need help. Whole heap of food this me alone. Whole heap of food this, peeps. So I use this like me outside. I'm gonna use this as my outside table, peeps. Yeah, that is it, peeps. Make sure someone see me well. Hey man, not see me well. Well. Not see me. Hello, peeps. This is so nice. Peeps, fly them over them out here on a night now. Are you okra night? Tell no peace, but it for season night in Jamaican season, pepper night hot. Real hot, no joking. But otherwise, tell us fish nice, peeps. No fried fish, no steamed fish, no nice like this. These are the nicest thing, peeps. Tell them. So even though the fish are big, it does steam right. And roots on the side. The peeps today. Yes? You can't even stay outside. I'm showing you. Look there. Look what I go on my plate. Look what I go on my plate. Look at the fish. It's one big fish. And my sweet potato and yam. And some roots. So peeps, I'm going to go in with this. Because they fly about them. I mean, I want a disturbance. Because almost night now when they fly them, I give me trouble. Because the fly them want to beat something. I'm not give them no. So I'm going. So peeps, if it's the first time coming across the channel, don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. Tell a friend to tell a friend. I love how I share. So a lot of people have been sharing the videos. I love that. Yeah, because I can't see every video then share. So I love that and I share the video with my friends and family, you know. Really appreciate that. So, I'm going to mash up this now. So until next video, love what you do what you love, and do it to your best ability. One fire, all fire. Peace out.